Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers, sisters, viewers, we're here in Sylhet, and as you can see, we're in the back of a pickup truck and going through the bridge. Water over flooded. We had to change vehicles just to come in and pass this water, as you can see behind me. So it's difficult. We're gonna get our wetsuits on and do some distribution now. I'm in the flood hit area. Imagine living here. Imagine this is your house, this is your street, this is your community. How would you feel? What would your emotions be like? I mean, this is your livelihood, this is your livestock, this is your crops. This is somewhere where people had their daily lives, normal daily lives, disrupted. So these guys are stranded here. Brother Nadeem, the one and only Sheikh Safraz, and everybody else, and our team here, giving these essential food parcels. Keep watching, keep donating, keep on making loads of du'as. Allah, make it easy for us in this world and in the hereafter. Ameen ya Rabbal Alameen. Oh Allah, we ask of you all the good things our beloved asked. Oh Allah, we ask safety, security from all the horrible, nasty, bad things from our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. As from ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم وتب علينا يا مولانا إنك أنت التواب الرحيم سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين.